everyone, this is Harvey and you're watching Real Cebu Travel. I'm exploring Mindanao now, and can you believe it? I'm at the foot of Mount Apo, the tallest mountain in the Philippines. And that is water boiling because of the heat, of course. And that's gas coming off the mountain, the foot of Mount Apo. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm here. They said it's sulfur and it smells a little, it smells bad. Not really that bad, but I'm not gonna stay here for long. I think this one here is yellowish, so I think this is the color of sulfur. Yes, it is. It's really sulfur. And the one over there is boiling water. Oh my god. Kirapawan City. This is the entrance. This is the entrance to get to Mount Apo. It's currently closed as of the moment for climbers. I'm not really going to climb because it will take, I heard, 3 days to get to the top. So, and aside from that, it's closed. So I'm just glad I made it here, and it's very exciting. It's always nice to get to know the different spots, tourist spots of the Philippines, especially the tallest mountain in the Philippines. And okay, right over there is still gas coming off the mountainside. Kano sa pa nag-close ang Mount Apo?
Itong March 7.
Ya, kano saan siya open og balik?
Ambot ng po sir, kami kahiring po sir.
Pero taga dire jud ka?
Opo sir.
Dire sa na tao?
Adi sir, birada sir.
Pero na nakagapuyo dire.
O dire na sir.
Dili din ni makadaot kaning sulfur?
Di sir. Okay man ka nga sulfur.
So kanang gatong gabukal, unsa to siya? Tambal to, si pwede ito itambal sa awas. Pero init kayo to?
Init.
Agad sa pangan?
Mark Ariel.
Oh, thank you Mark.
Sir.
Yeah. So, according to Mark, di ba ko na makadaot ang sulfur ba? Because they've been living here. Very interesting to know. And whew, I feel so good right now. Now I'm going back down to the main entrance so you can see what it looks like. So I'm going back down towards the main entrance. So it says, I love Agko. Welcome Mount Apo Natural Park. 3,311 feet. ASI. Barangay Ilomavis, Kidapawan City. Oh. And so near sign says Mount Apo Natural Park, Kidapawan Trail, North Cotabato. And thank you for watching. This has been Harvey. Good day to all of you.